Hello Viresh, hi Arun. Thank you so much for joining the video speaker interview by Gel Testing Alliance. And this is for the API Testing Summit we are going to have on May 8th. Thank you so much for being our speakers for that day. So we would first like to start with your brief introductions. Although looking at the time we have taken for this video call and your profile, I know we will not be doing justice, but Viresh, would you like to please let us know about yourself?
Yeah, thanks, Pallavi. It's a pleasure to be part of this call and a pleasure to be invited and to be having a slot to speaking on this session. So quickly, so I have overall 18 years of experience, around 11 years into the travel technology. Even before I have worked in startup companies when the buzzword of the startup was not there. So I try to contribute to the literature in the industry. I try to contribute in these forums like this or to be a speaker at different conferences. I handle one of the most critical and mission critical application suite or a platform at Amadeus. So that's about me.
Okay, that's very good to know, Viresh. And Arun, would you please like to tell us about yourself?
Sure, Pallavi. As Veeresh said, it's certainly a pleasure for us to be presenting in this event. I mean, it's a well-known event, and it's always good for us to share our ideas and bring in our thoughts into this forum. From my experience standpoint, I have about 18 years of experience too, and I started my career in running my own organization. So I have started as a startup to where I am today. I've worked with various different organizations, primarily being in retail, large retail companies, but been with Amadeus for the last 3 years. I run the DevOps platform team at Amadeus, which basically takes care of every kind of DevOps solutions needed for Amadeus to be faster, nimble, and agile in this world of pace, so that our developers can deliver faster to their customers.
Okay, that's good to know about you, Arun, as well. So we saw your abstract is on application of artificial intelligence, rather the power of AI machine learning, and how it gets integrated with the world of APIs. And then there was this case study of this chatbot associated with travel industry, where all these heavy topics come together. So, what can audience expect from this talk? Like, will it be there will be a lot of AI jargons, a lot of API jargons, or how would it all be?
Yeah, Arun, you would like to start for the first part? I'll cover the second one.
Sure. Yes, it would, Pallavi, from a point of view, it would contain some jargons, but our job is to demystify it as much as possible, put it in as simple words or ways as possible. I mean, the growth of both APIs and let's say AI/ML, which is the buzzword these days, has seen tremendous growth, right? The consumption of APIs has, I mean, it's multiples that it has grown. I won't even say 2x, 3x, but in significant ways. And a lot of businesses are understanding that APIs can be monetized, right? It's not just the business, but it's also the monetization of API. That's sort of the key thing. Obviously, when you're looking at monetizing, you also need to look at how to bridge the gap between the latest and greatest technologies and bring in that concept between AI, ML, and APIs, right? So the talk is going to be a combination of some of these, but the crux of the whole presentation obviously is what the case study would be in terms of what we have done and how things evolve. But it's also about ensuring the cultural mindset, which typically changes, right? I mean, when things work in a particular way and form in a UI based application, in a human oriented application, it's typically the tester can see, feel what they are doing. But in case of an API, in case of AI ML, for sure, some of these core principles change. And the talk is also going to cover about how we are going to transform, or what's the kind of mindset that's needed to evolve in this kind of a journey for a tester. And it's not just for a tester. Obviously, people who are keen on AI ML, people who are keen on APIs as well, should be able to take some learnings out of this and implement it in their organization.
Okay, that's a very good insight. Viresh, would you like to add to it?
Yeah, I'll tell you brief about the case study that we are going to build and do this, right? The platform that we manage or I manage is one of the mission critical one, which is the heart of the travel industry. So every second travel that happens in the world, it happens through this platform.
Okay.
So now there was a need to have some chatbot or an application which is going to help both the travel agencies and the airlines to simplify their way of working. So how this chatbot was built. So we are going to, I'm going to talk about the story behind what was the need for it, how the different APIs got integrated. It was from the IBM Watsons or the cloud integration platforms or the internal applications that were there. So what was the journey that went through and what it as a quality assurance team, they have to understand to see that how these applications has to be built. So what is the AI ML skills that they have to understand and to do this testing and be part of this journey to say that they are the internal customers, they have to see this. And the second, what is the impact that this chatbot has brought into the industry, right? And the learning of it, which has also helped the quality assurance teams to see how the power of AI ML can be used to do the future testing. So now the team is going through understanding the different tools and the technologies behind that so that it's simplifying their day-to-day work for other applications. So this has been a tremendous journey for us. And this is a chatbot which is used across the globe. The different organizations are using it and it is simplifying the life. So I'm going to talk about that.
Okay, that's great to know. It's good to know that we get insights into this powerful piece of work built by your organization and your teams. And is there anything you would like to tell to people who have, who are into testing and they have not yet come through APIs, or they are still stuck up in the world of UIs? Viresh, would you like to tell anything to such people? I mean, there are a large number of an audience. So
True.
what would be your go-to points for them?
See, for example, one of the topic that we will cover also is saying that how the transformation of the software engineering and the quality assurance has come in. So at every stage and every decade there has been a change, and now there is the decade of a smart testing. Now it's a decade of the APIs. So how we can leverage the power of the different applications and the different industries with these APIs. So first is to understand why it is needed, what is AI ML part, how these APIs could be used and to be done. There is no need to write a new socket programming right from the scratch. So there are APIs behind this. There are APIs behind to do some complex calculations into this, right? So that's something. And everyone, as Arun mentioned, it's about the mindset change. The first is to accept that there is a change or the transformation which is happening in, and then to learn about the skill set. So there are, if you look around on the web, even the AI ML can find the plethora of trainings or the applications which are going to teach how to learn an AI ML. So it is very simple. So we are going to simplify that part, and everyone has to understand it's no more a jargon that we can just believe in it.
Okay.
So we have to follow this.
Okay, that's a very valid point. So thank you so much, both of you, for your time for today's video call. And thanks a lot. We look forward for your talk on May 8th by Agile Testing Alliance. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We look forward to it. Thank you. Bye-bye.